Unlocking the meaning of topping the charts. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in conversations about music, movies, or books: topping the charts. We're going to explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Let's get started. Topping the charts refers to being number one or among the best in a particular ranking system. This phrase is often used in the entertainment industry. For example, when a song is the most played on the radio or a book is the best-selling in its category, they are said to be topping the charts. It's a mark of success and popularity, indicating that something is currently the most favored or acclaimed in its field. The phrase, topping the charts, comes from the practice of creating lists or charts that rank items according to certain criteria, such as sales, plays, or downloads. Music charts, for example, have been around since the early 20th century, with Billboard magazine being one of the most famous chart publishers in the world. When an item reaches the highest position on such a chart, it is literally at the top, hence the term, topping. Now, let's see how you can incorporate topping the charts into your everyday English. Her latest single has been topping the charts for weeks. The new smartphone model is topping the charts in sales across the country. I'm not surprised that movie is topping the charts. It's fantastic. Using this phrase in your conversations can help you talk about popular trends and successes in various fields, especially in entertainment and product sales. Interestingly, topping the charts can also be used metaphorically to describe excellence or high achievement in areas outside of entertainment. For example, you might hear it used in business or sports to describe individuals or teams who are leading in their respective fields. I hope this video has helped you understand what topping the charts means and how you can use it both literally and metaphorically. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the cultural nuances that come with phrases like these. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.